Odofo memawo akwa baba Akan adesua bia ha. Wo to say mejidi se wo ho ye erade adom menso me ho ye. So today I want us to look at some three terms that we use to call the people that we love. All right? So three terms of endearment. In English, you can choose to call your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your husband, your wife, sweetheart, honey, darling, babe, sweetie pie, honey coochie coochie, and all those cute names. And today I want us to look at the cute names that we can use to call our partners in Chi. All right? Coming right up. What's up, guys? My name is Yaw, and you're welcome to another vocabulary lesson right here on LearnAkan.com. If this is your first time, you are especially welcome. This is a channel dedicated to helping you to read, write, and speak the Akan language of Ghana. Please consider subscribing, and if you find any of our lessons useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section below. All right, if you are ready, let's begin. And we are starting out with Odo. 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 All right, and you can personalize this by adding the possessive adjective me. Okay, and then you have medo. 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 Okay, and the second one is Odofuo. 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 And again, we can add the possessive adjective me to get me do fu. Me do fu. Me do fu. Me do fu. Me do fu pa wonyum nebe. If there's anything that I'm bad at, like super bad at, it's singing. All right, so don't mind me. The next one is Odo Yewu. Odo Yewu. Odo Yewu. Odo Yewu. Mido Yewu. Mido dodo. And then we have Akoma Mu Tofe. Akoma Mu Tofe. Akoma Mu Tofe. Akoma Mu Tofe. Okay, so we have Akoma as heart, and then we have Mu in or inside, and then we have Tofe, toffee or candy. Okay, so what we basically have here is the candy of the heart. Okay, Akoma Mu Tofe. Akoma Mu Tofe. And we can shorten this by going like Akoma Mu Tofe. Akoma Mu Tofe. Okay, Akoma Mu Tofe. Akoma Mu Tofe. The next one is Ohema. 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 Mehema. 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 Ohema bramenchen. Bramenchen. Mehema bramenchen. And then we have Ahofe. 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 Or Ahofe dia. Ahofe dia. Ahofe dia. So Ahofe beauty, and then dia tree. Okay, so like beauty tree. Okay, Ahofe dia. And then we have me bibini. Me bibini. Me bibini. Okay, me bibini. So blackness or Africanness signifying beauty. All right, so we have me bibini. Me bibini. Me bibini. Okay, and you can also have me brony. Me brony. Me brony. So again, whiteness signifying beauty. All right, so me brony. Me brony. Me brony. Okay, and if you want to be selfish, you can combine both and have me bibini brony. Me bibini brony. Me bibini brony. Me bibini brony. All right, me bibini brony. Golden tree chocolate, yeah. And then we have ashinepa. 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 So ashiniye is beads, okay, and pa, good. All right, so we have a cheap proverb that goes like ashinepa nkasa. Ashinepa nkasa. Okay, ashinepa nkasa. And then we have obapa. 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 Okay, and the last one on our list is madepa. 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 Okay, so we have ade from adie, which is thin. Okay, and then we have pa as good, right? So my good thing. All right, madepa. 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 Madepa biayira. Madepa biayira. And all too soon, we've come to the end of today's lesson. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll see you next time.